It is Data Privacy Day, and while everyone is busy changing their passwords to something slightly more complicated, there is a massive hole in your digital security fence that nobody talks about: your phone number. If you are still receiving those 6-digit login codes via text message to access your bank, your email, or your crypto exchange, you need to stop immediately. Here is the harsh reality. Hackers do not need to steal your physical phone to break into your life. They use a technique called SIM swapping. They trick your carrier into porting your number to their SIM card. Once they have your number, they get your codes, and just like that, they have the keys to your kingdom. SMS is not encrypted. It is easily intercepted, and honestly, it gives you a false sense of safety. So, what is the fix? It is not a better password. It is this: the YubiKey 5 series. After testing virtually every security method out there, this little hardware key remains the gold standard. It replaces that insecure text message with a physical key that you actually have to touch to log in. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you are at a coffee shop. You get an email that looks exactly like a Google login alert. It is a phishing scam, but it looks perfect. You click it and type your password. If you were using SMS, you would type the code, and the hacker would get in. But with the YubiKey, you plug it in and tap it. The key cryptographically checks the website domain. It sees that this is a fake site, and it refuses to sign the login request. The hacker gets absolutely nothing. You stay safe. Now, let's look at the hardware itself. The YubiKey 5 NFC is a tank. It is crush-proof and waterproof. I have accidentally washed mine, and it still works perfectly. It does not have a battery. It draws power right from your USB port or via NFC when you tap it against your iPhone. It works seamlessly with Google, Microsoft, 1Password, Binance, and hundreds of other services. The number one question I get is, what happens if I lose my key? That is a valid fear, and that is why you follow the rule of two. Never buy just one key. You buy two. One goes on your keychain, which is your primary key. The second one goes into a fireproof safe at home. If you lose your primary key, you use the backup to log in and remove the lost key from your account. It is that simple. Data breaches happen every single day. Relying on your phone carrier to protect your life savings is a gamble you do not want to take. Switching to a hardware key is the single most effective investment you can make for your privacy. I have written a full, in-depth guide about this on my blog, where I break down exactly how to set this up. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment to read the full article and see current pricing. Stay safe out there.